Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great and welcome to another new video course from devtechie.com. And in this video course, we are going to be creating this DevTechie's to-do list app. And this app is going to leverage some of the features like SwiftUI, Swift Data, and speech to text. So we're going to be using speech framework to convert our speech into text to add items in our to-do list, and we're going to be persisting that data using Swift Data. So let me give you a quick rundown on how the app is going to work, and then we're going to basically build this out in the course end to end. Okay, so we're going to start off with a main view, which is going to have content unavailable view in order to display the user that no to-do is available, so they can get started by tapping on the add new button. Now, once they add new button, this add new to do list shows up, which has this mic icon, and user can input their to do by stating what they want to do. Get groceries from grocery store. Okay, so let's try it again. Get groceries from grocery store. Once user is satisfied with what they have said, they can save this item and it shows up in the in their list. Okay, now from here, let's go ahead and kill this app and go back and start it again. And as you can see, our data is persisted because at the backend we are using Swift Data for persisting all this. Okay, user can also decide to delete this item and add new item. Wash car. Get eggs from Trader Joe and make sure to check that they are not already broken. So as you can see that user can actually talk in detail about what they want to do, and this could actually very well work as a notes app as well. Okay, so there are a lot of possibilities. Once again, I would actually let you try out and explore your imagination with this the skills that you're going to learn in this video course. So let's go ahead and hop on to the next video where we're going to start building this app from scratch. I will see you guys there. Thank you.